military to standard time. We can also call military what? PP? International time! Remember when you travel. So you may be asked what's a military time conversion or what's an international time conversion. And you have to remember that military or international time is what? What format?
24 hours.
It's a 24-hour format. Okay? So you have to have 4 digits. No? No colon. Okay. Some people put the letter H, capital H. It doesn't matter. Okay. I always tell why we have to study conversions for this or that. Okay. Military to standard. Why do we have to know the conversion from military to standard, or international to standard to international? In hospital, we use a 24-hour format. If you work at the military base in a hospital in a military base, you're going to use a military format. Okay. Drug administration in a 24-hour format. What time is it, Jana?
It is 10:38.
Writing it in standard, it's 10:38 with a colon. Semi dot and then a comma. This one is colon. Okay. And then the AM or the PM. AM is morning, PM is night. My son would ask me, Mom, what's morning? AM or PM? AM. What's night? PM. The PM starts at 12 noon. Okay, this is when it gets confusing. 12 noon and midnight. Okay, so it's 10:38 a.m. How do you convert that to international or military time? You just take away the colon, 10:38. You don't have to write the H. Okay, there should be a note that says it's a 24-hour format or whatnot. Okay, I'm getting a foreign exchange student. I volunteered to get a foreign exchange student, and my husband told me, oh, she arrives at 10:41 p.m. I said, cool, I can run from school to the airport. I checked the email again. It says in there, what? It's a 24-hour format. So she arrives at 10:41 a.m. So he probably didn't get to the bottom of the email and just jumped into, oh, you gotta pick her up at 10:41 p.m. No, a.m. 24-hour format. So 10:38 a.m. What's midnight? Midnight is 12 a.m., right? Okay. So how do you write that? 0, 0, 0, 0. It's the beginning of the day. It can be the end of the day. So for midnight, 0, 0, 0 or 2400 is acceptable. However, once we jump to 12:01 a.m., which is the beginning, the first minute of the day, how do we write it? 0001, not 24:01. It stops right there. Only midnight is when you can write 4 zeros or 2400. Is that clear?
Clear.
Okay. You have to have this on standard, and you have to have the AM or the PM. In the test, if it's just blanks, I want to see the AM or the PM. Okay? And sometimes our tests are formatted, you got this blank and then AM or PM. Just encircle which one is your answer. Okay, is that clear? Okay, let's do some in-class work.